Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is gonna be about my 5 go-to hairstyles. These are not so, fancy hairstyles, I would say, because I am so bad at hairstyling. I mean, you cannot even imagine. Okay, I'll tell you this. I don't even know how to French braid exactly. Yeah, that's me. I don't know it. And I know I am not the only one, so I think this video will help you out. So without further ado, let's go to the video. So my first go-to hairstyle is half tie, that I guess everyone knows about. I don't use comb because I like my hair messy. Just take the hair from crown area and tie it into a ponytail. Then I just take a hair strand and wrap it around to cover the rubber band. It looks pretty cute. My second go-to hairdo is a messy low bun. Just take all your hair and secure it with a thin rubber band, and to secure the bun a little more, just use bobby pins and you are done. I call this hairdo a lazy girl ponytail because it literally takes 2 minutes and still looks super cute. Leave some hair in the front on the both sides and just tie the rest of your hair in a ponytail. Now just start twisting the hair you left in front and wrap it around the ponytail, and that's it. Fourth hairdo is twisted ponytail. Just secure all your hair in a low ponytail and now just twist as shown in the video. This hairstyle will look so pretty with maxi dresses or a cold shoulder top. So for the fifth hairdo, I won't call it a hairstyle. I think I'll call it more of a hair hack. I do this to make my hair look smoother and frizz-free. What I basically do is I just partition my hair in two and twist it like this and press it with a straightener. It works really well if you have straight hair, gives a nice texture to your hair. I really hope you liked this video and found this video helpful. Comment down below which one was your favorite hairstyle, and if you're gonna try it, please don't forget to tag me or send me pictures on my Instagram or on my Facebook page. I would really love to see that. And make sure you like this video if you actually like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell notification button just next to it so that every time I post a new video you would know. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.